Alright, let's dive into the latest PTE software updates and how they might be wreaking havoc on your test scores. Introducing you to the top 10 PTE software updates that could potentially be throwing a wrench in your test-taking journey. Let's shine a light on the specific software updates that are giving test takers a run for their money. These updates are causing quite a stir and impacting scores in a less than favorable way. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of each update. We'll explore how these updates are affecting different sections of the PTE test and provide you with examples of the hurdles they bring. It's essential to understand these challenges to tackle them head-on. But wait, there's more. Brace yourselves for the most damaging update that's leading to a significant drop in scores. We'll also share some valuable tips on how to navigate through this rough patch successfully. You don't want to miss this key moment. In conclusion, let's wrap up by summarizing the key takeaways from each update discussed. It's crucial to stay informed about software changes to adapt your test-taking strategies accordingly. Remember, knowledge is power. Finally, here's your call to action. We want to hear from you. Share your experiences with the new software updates in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more PTE test tips and updates. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, stay ahead of the game by staying informed about those pesky software updates. See you in the next video.